Rais William RUTO augite ni agukenera Nthuki Mbîthî ba Kenya kuonania wiru bwao bwa nthiguru ya Kenya gukura bwega na njira ya kwithirwa bakionania uria bethirite bagichumiria nikenda gutega uria nthiguru igwita. Rais akiaria ari ntere chanya ururu augite we akabathikira na kinyage kagikaro nabo nikenda kuigwa mendekithia jao na kiria bakwenda kana kiria giti kwithirwa kikibakenia. Bobwejete uri Nthuki Mbîthî ba nthiguru ya Kenya bonanetie kurega gwitikaniria na mendekithia ja thirikari jegie Finance Bill 2024.
My bishop, yes. How are you?
Okaire Rais William RUTO na munini owe ni batirimanite kirikiatho kanisene ya ACK Nyaururu kire mambura ja gwikira Reverend Samson Mboronkobia ya gutwika Moskabu. Akiaria Rais RUTO ni augite Kenya iri na uhuru bwayo bwotongeria.
And I want to commit to Kenya. We are a democratic country. We build our institutions, whether it is the executive, the legislature, the judiciary, civil society. We agree that all these institutions are necessary for us to be a greater nation. And we will support all institutions to make decisions for Kenya so that together we can be a great nation. We must continue to be a peaceful, we must continue to be a nation of the rule of law so that together we can build a greater nation.
Kagitene okauna ongerete na gwikumiria Nthuki Mbîthî ba Kenya kumania nabo kuonania kwenda kuona nthiguru ni gwita na mbere bwega na kuga ni abongerete kigina kiao bete na mbere kugunika.
I am very proud of our young people. They have stepped forward tribeless. They have stepped forward peaceful. What I want to assure them is that we are concerned about their issues. In this year's budget, I have enhanced the budget going to CDF to increase by 10 billion so that young people can get bursary and young people, we can build ICT hubs so that these young people can get digital jobs because we know the challenge of unemployment in our country. That in this year's budget also, we have increased our higher education loans board so that no child from any vulnerable family can lack an opportunity to be in a TVET or in a university on account of the ability of their parents or guardians to pay for their fees.
Rais Nkorokina augite akabonera kanya kwaraniria nabo kuthikira mantu jao.
Our young people have stepped forward to engage on the affairs of their country. They have done a democratic duty to stand and be recognized. And I want to tell you, we are going to have a conversation with you so that we can identify your issues and we can work together as a nation.
Na werigathi oria makanisa jatige migambo itiagirite.
We have seen a lot of toxic talk in churches, a lot of insults, a lot of people talking at each other, and we don't want that anymore.
Before the escorting bishop present the bishop-elect, we stand with the